Certainly in my dreams, I am regularly flying to Mars and coming back in the morning. Oh yes, most exciting dream. There are many dreams, of course. So the most exciting dreams is certainly to be in a position to build and assemble all the systems which can really support the life of one man or a group of men, which is quite both a realistic and useful dream, because more or less we will be in this kind of situation. Of course, it's not only 6 cosmonauts or a crew, but we are a crew of 7 billion persons on the Earth. So this dream is really to be in a position to have a system which is capable to ensure this kind of constraint and this kind of requirements. In many aspects, my answer is definitively yes. Yes, I really believe that MELiSSA has been 30 years ago the first construct and really dreamed as a life support system in order to ensure a cyclic way of recycling the waste, producing foods, producing of course oxygen, recycling water, and all these problems that has to be solved on Earth today. Generally, when I am booking a flight ticket, I am doing this just the day before, so I have a lot of plenty of time to book my ticket for Mars. But certainly in my dreams, I am regularly flying to Mars and coming back in the morning. Thomas. Both. Walk on the moon.